Our first honoree this evening is Mr. Clement Ras Clem Hume. Ras Clem recently received a national honor, badge of honor for meritorious service. He is no stranger to Jamaicans in the audience. His work in broadcasting speaks for itself, but as he makes his way to the stage, we'll tell you a few things. He's well known in the Jamaican and Caribbean community because of his outstanding work as a broadcaster on Groovin Radio. His program is one of the foremost that the Diaspora tunes into each week. He has been very supportive and instrumental in sharing information and bringing attention to pertinent issues and highlighting diaspora activities, including those of the JAHJAH Foundation. He has played a major role in the exposure of the foundation to the Northeast diaspora. Therefore, the Board of Directors for the JAHJAH Foundation is delighted to present Mr. Clement Hume, Ras Clem, with the Diaspora Diamond Award.
Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Wow, all protocols followed. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Wow. First, I greet you in the name of the Most High, Jah Rastafari. I would like to say a big thank you to Dr. Trevor Dixon and the team here at JAHJAH Foundation. You know, a few years ago, I ran across the JAHJAH Foundation, and I wondered, how is it there is a bald-headed man heading up an organization called JAHJAH Foundation? Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaica at home. I vetted this organization very carefully. I made a few phone calls to ensure that what Dr. Trevor Dixon and the team was doing was legitimate. And it turned out to be very legitimate, or even more than legitimate. And over the years, they have helped in many ways in Jamaica, assisting medically and beyond medically in Jamaica. So I say thanks to Dr. Trevor Dixon and his team here. I would like to recognize my family. You know, it is said that beside every good man, there is a good woman. But I'll say in front of every good man, there's a great woman. And I will recognize my great woman here tonight, my other half, Miss Andrea Bullins. I will not refer to her as a rock, because she's more than a rock. Diamond in the rough, you could say, platinum, you could say, but not a rock. I thank my family for allowing me the time and the space over the last 20 plus years to do radio. It is not an easy thing. You take away a lot of time from your family to ensure that your programming is something of worth to the community. And over the years, I've seen where many folks have come to recognize and appreciate what Groovin Radio has brought to the community, including Dr. Trevor Dixon. So I'll take this award tonight, and I'll take it with pride and dignity. Thanks again to the JAHJAH Foundation and the entire team here, especially Dr. Trevor Dixon. Thank you so much.